Sour news for sugar. The Chinese are pulling out of the local industry. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, the latest on Zika V and swine flu cases.
An in-depth look at recycling from an insider's perspective.
How communities nearby are coping with the North-South Highway.
Plus, more criticism of the impending toll rates.
And in the business day, IDB economist says there's no explanation for why Jamaica is not growing.
There's also sports commentary and weather in the primetime package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think needs to be done to make sure Jamaicans want to separate waste and recycle?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.